how to find and use Instagram filters. So if you want to find and use Instagram filters, then first make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you can open up your Instagram application. After opening your Instagram, now you need to go with your story, which is on the upper left, or you can also go with the bottom middle, which has that plus icon. Now from here, you can go with the story section. Under story here, if you swipe, then you will have a lot of filters. You can simply select any filter that you are comfortable with, or you can also swipe up. Once you swipe up, you will have your filters, or if you swipe all the way to the right, then here you will have a magnifying icon on the right side at the last. Tap on the magnifying icon, and here you need to go with browse effects, which is on the bottom. And once you tap on browse effects, here you will have all of the effects. You can go with your saved effects or trending effects or appearance, aesthetic, games. You can simply choose any effect that you're comfortable with. So that's how you can find and use your Instagram filters. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.